Drawing ACF and PACF plot charts is pretty easy in Python. I want to quickly update everyone how to draw ACF and PACF in Python software. I'm using Jupyter Notebook, and I will upload this script, this Python script, to this video's description section below. You can download directly and then use it for your project. Let me briefly explain what each line of code represents. Before you draw ACF and PACF plot charts, you need to make sure that you have the state models package on your Python software. If you haven't installed it, you can use this pip install stats models to download this package into your Jupyter Notebook. When you want to execute this line of code to install the stat models package, you can remove the hashtag. You can remove it to make this line of code executable on your computer. I just want to make a notation. That's why I added a hashtag before this line. If you have already installed the stats model package, you can use it directly. If you want to make sure your package is up to date, you can use this line of code to update the stats model package. Some people may meet an error message when they update the stats model package. The error message is similar to this. You don't have access to update. The solution I find out is you just add an acclimation points before the pip install upgrade line. Then you should be able to address the you don't have access to update error. This is the preparation you need to do before you use the stat model package. After you install the package, you can draw ACF and PACF plot chart. This is the code. The basic package we need to download is, we need to import is pandas and then matplotlib. Matplotlib is actually the package that visualizes the final result, right? And then we need the stats model. This is the way to import the stats model package. We need to use import statmodels.api and then give it an alias. I want to call it SM. The stats model package is for processing time series data. Next, you want to bring the source data into the Jupyter Notebook. One thing I want to remind everyone is ACF and the PACF charts are for showing time series data. So when you bring the source data into Jupyter Notebook, make sure you transform the source data into time series. The way is to turn on the parse dates parameter. Give true to this parameter. In Excel files and in the original dataset, we usually record the dates data in the first column. So when you bring the source data into Jupyter, make sure you give 0 to the index_core parameter. To help Jupyter to recognize the first column in your original dataset has the dates. This is how you transform data frame into time series. And then you can use the ACF function and the PACF function to draw the ACF and the PACF charts. By the way, for this project, I used the original dataset called PriceByDays.csv. I will also upload this dataset to this video's description section. You can download it onto your computer. When you download the original dataset and this Python code, make sure you save both files into the same folder so that the Python code can recognize where the original dataset is. If you want to use this code for your project, make sure you download this code into the same folder where you save your original dataset, and then come back to here to change this file name to the name of your original dataset. And then once you click the Run Cell button, you should be able to get the ACF and the PACF charts. I already explained how to use these charts to identify the model and the orders of each model in another video. I will list the video link in this video's description section. You can use that video to explain how we can use these two charts to identify the models. This is how you draw ACF and PACF charts in Python.